Hey guys, Dots and Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new 195 Scout Sport Dorado. It just arrived. This boat is in flag blue with the stainless steel bimini top. Ski tow with aft back seat, Mercury 150. There's our standard ski tow. We have the trim tab assembly here. Twin bucket seats come standard with stereo, and this boat has the 9-inch Garmin in there at the helm. Fusion based stereo system, 2 jump seat / lounge seats, with cooler boxes under both. Big bow cushion over in storage, but also offers huge storage under lee. Designated anchor locker. If you guys would like to find a boat like this one or come see this one, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again.